हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो ये वीडियो रे आम किसी इंपोर्टेंट डेज एंड डेट्स विषय आलोचना करवा। टोटाल आपंकर 35 एमसीक्यू अच्छे। निश्चिंत भाव में आपण भिडटी यूजफुल होगा जाऊँगी। तो भिडटी को प्रथम रु शेष पर्यंत देखूँ। जदि आपशा आसूबा अपकमिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम प्रिपेयर होती तो निश्चिंत भाव में भिडटी आपंपाई हेल्पफुल हम। ओडिशा नुह केवल इंडिया आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे। ठीक अच्छे, तो आम आरंभ करवा। देखो फास्ट क्वेश्चन कौन देती। द फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन सेलिब्रेट्स वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे एवरी ईयर ऑन डैश। सो आंसर इज 1 जून। द फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन सेलिब्रेट वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे एवरी ईयर ऑन 1 जून। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन देखो, व्हेन इंटरनेशनल चेस डे मार्क्स एवरी ईयर। आंसर इज 20th July. So 20th July is the answer. So 20th July we celebrate International Chess Day. Then third question देखो, on which day Muslim Women Rights Day was observed in India for the first time. Answer is 1st August. Option C जोटा कि आपन राइट आंसर. So on 1st August we celebrate Muslim Women's Right Day. Then 4 number देखो, International Day of Human Fraternity is observed every year on which date. Answer is 4th February. So we celebrate International Day of Human Fraternity on 4th February. Then next question is UN means United Nation World Bicycle Day is celebrated every year on which date. So answer is option C 3rd June. सो आपन देखिपे 5 नंबर राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी रे देछि 3rd जून. सो वी सेलिब्रेट यूएन वर्ल्ड बाइसाइकिल डे ऑन 3rd जून. देन 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखंतु, इंटरनेशनल नो डाइट डे इज ऑब्जर्व ग्लोबली एवरी ईयर ऑन व्हिच डेट. आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 6th May. 6th May इज द राइट आंसर. इंटरनेशनल नो डाइट डे इज ऑब्जर्व ग्लोबली एवरी ईयर ऑन 6th May. And 7 number question देखंतु, on which date every year the International Tea Day is observed globally on the recommendation of India. So answer is 21st May. 21st May. So on 21st May every year the International Tea Day is observed globally on the recommendation of India. Then 8 number question देखंतु देछि, World Brain Tumor Day is celebrated every year on which date. Answer is option D 8th June. So on 8th June we celebrate World Brain Tumor Day. Then 9 number देखंतु, the World Cotton Day is observed every year on 7th October. World Cotton Day, the World Cotton Day celebrated on every year 7th October. Then 10 number question, the World Pneumonia Day. The World Pneumonia Day is observed every year on which date across the world to raise awareness, promote prevention and the treatment and produce action to combat the disease. So right answer is option C 12th November. 12th November. Then 11 देखंतु, World Philosophy Day 2021 is observed on which date. Answer is option B 18th November. 18th November. Then 12 number देखंतु, in India the National Naturopathy Day is observed every year on which date. Answer is 18th November. So on 18th November we celebrate National Naturopathy Day. Then next question is 13. World Vegan Day is celebrated every year on which date to promote vegan diet. Answer is 1st November. Option C. Then 14 देखंतु, the World Food Safety Day is observed every year on which date. Answer is option D 7th June. So the World Food Safety Day is observed every year on 7th June. Then 15 देखंतु, National Traders Day is observed in India on which date. Answer is option D 9th August. 9th August. National Traders Day is observed in India on 9th August. And 16 number question देखंतु, which date is August mark the anniversary of the world first atomic bombing. Answer is 6th August. तो ये अपन जानिथिबे 1945 गोटे अगस्त 6 गोटे अगस्त 9 रे जापान ऊपर युक्तराष्ट्र अमेरिका हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी ऊपर बॉम्बिंग करथिला. तो सेटा दैछे अगस्त 6 जोटा आपनकर होची वर्ल्ड It was the first atomic bombing day. Then 17, every year the Quit India Day or August Kranti Day is observed on 8th August, option C. So 8th August is the right answer. Then 18 dekhantu, the International Day of the World's Indigenous People is observed every year. On which date? Answer is option D, 9th August. The International Day of the World's Indigenous People is observed every year on 9th August. Then 19 dekhantu, World Lion Day is celebrated every year. On which day? Answer is 10th August. So 19 number right answer is option B. Then 20 dekhantu, when is the World Television Day celebrated every year across the world? Answer is option B, November 21 or 21st November is the World Television Day celebrated every year across the world. Then 21 dekhantu, to commemorate the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, the Sadhavana Divas is celebrated every year. On which date? Answer is 20th August, option C. Then 22 dekhantu, when is the National Fish Farmer Day celebrated in India? Answer is option C, July 10. So 10th July is the National Fish Farmers Day celebrated in India. 23 dekhantu, August Urja Divas is observed every year on which date to raise awareness about the development and the adoption of the renewable energy in India? Answer is 20th August. Option C is the right answer. So Akshay Urja Divas is observed every year on 20th August to raise awareness about the development and the adoption of the renewable energy in India. Then 24 dekhantu, World Vegetarian Day is observed every year on which date? Answer is 1st October. Option A is the right answer. So on 1st October we observe World Vegetarian Day. World Vegetarian Day. Then 25 dekhantu, World Food Day is observed on option C, 16th October. Option C is the 16th October. So World Food Day is observed on 16th October. Then 26th dekhantu, International Stirring Awareness Day is observed every year. On which date? Answer is option C, 22nd October. 22nd October. Then 27 dekhantu, World Animal Day is observed every year. On which date? Answer is option D, 4th October. On 4th October we observed World Animal Day. Then 28 dekhantu, when is the World Meteorology Day observed every year? Answer is option B, that is May 20 or 20th May is the World Meteorology Day observed every year. And 29, when is the World Elder Abuse Awareness Day observed by the UN every year? Answer is option A, June 15. So on June 15 is the World Elder Abuse Awareness Day we observe every year. Then 30 dekhantu, when is the National Doctors Day? National Doctors Day observed every year in India. Answer is 1st July. Option A is the right answer. So we observe National Doctors Day on 1st July. तापर देखो 31 देखिए इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स डे. इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स डे इज ऑब्जर्व एवरी ईयर ऑन व्हिच डेट? आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 10th December. So International Human Rights Day is observed 10th December on every year, observed every year. So then 32 World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day is observed on option C, 27th September. So we observed World Tourism Day on 27th September. 27th September. Then तापर देखंतु 33 World Postal Day. World Postal Day is observed on 9th October. So on 9th October we observed World Postal Day. Then World Books Day. World Books Day is observed on April 23rd. On April 23rd or 23rd April we observe World Books Day is observed. Then on which day International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed? Answer is September 16 or 16th September we observe International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. So it is the right answer, option C, 16th September. So 16th September हम International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer ऑब्जर्व करूचे। सो यहाँ थिला आपणकर 35 MCQ जोटा कि आपणकर इम्पोर्टेंट डेज एंड डेट्स। तो यहाँ निश्चित भाव में आपण हेल्पफुल हम। या छड़ा आपण अधिक पढ़ी पारे बट यहाँ से रिलेटेड अच्छी तो यहाँ आपण बहुत हेल्पफुल हम। आशा करुच्ची कि आपण मानक भिडियोटी बहुत हेल्पफुल होची। जदि आपण माने मो चैनल नुआ तो निश्चिंत भाव में चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ। जदि भिडियोटी भल लगुचे ताले लाइक कमेंट आउ शेयर करूँ। आउ नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करेंगे जमीती कि आपको जहाँ भी सब नुआ वीडियो जीव प्रथमे आपको नोटिफिकेशन जीव। धन्यवाद।